You know, ito talaga yung pangmalakasang bahay guys dito sa Cainta pero hindi binabaha. So tara, samahan nyo kami. I am RV and nandito tayo ngayon inside Brookside Hills Subdivision along Ortigas Avenue Extension. May mga houses na tayo na house tour before guys. So this one is another amazing house. This is a 5-bedroom home pero ang kagandahan dito sobrang luwag. It can fit up to 8 cars. So napakaraming kotse nun guys. Kanina punong-puno ng sasakyan dito. Pinalabas lang natin pero yun, this house stands on a 489 square meter lot area with a floor area of more or less 650. So, nandito tayo sa front part. On your left side, meron tayong dalawang car garage talaga. So, ayan, as you can see, meron pang van yung owner natin. And then, kanina merong sedan dito, pero kaya din ng SUV. And then, ito pa yung ating front garden or front area na napakarami pang pwedeng gawin. Napakalaki, pwede nating i-maximize. Lalo if you're having a party or kung marami kayong sasakyan, kasyang-kasya talaga. This is the front part. Meron tayong malaking garden encompassing yan, yung buong harapan hanggang gilid. Meron na rin siyang malalaking puno. Ayan. So kung mahilig kayo sa greeneries, eto yun guys, napakaganda kasi ang dami, even the big trees, ang dami dito. And then this part, meron siyang grotto which you can revive, diba? Pwede mas maganda pag meron ng tubig, ayusin nyo na lang po. Meron lang mga gamit yung workers na hindi pa naaalis pero may imagine nyo naman, sobrang luwag na itong bahay na to. Ayan, hanggang dito yun, no, yung garden natin. And then, meron pa tayong 2-car garage doon, specifically. So, kasyang 6 sa harapan. And then, may dalawa tayo dito sa may gilid. This is a corner 5-bedroom home. Kaya napakadami nating, kumbaga, open spaces. So, tara, let's go to the main door. So, this is our main door. Kung mapapansin nyo, there's a lot of glass in the property. Yun yung magandang feature ng bahay. Kasi, marami yung natural light that goes inside the house. Yan. Yan. So, pagpasok natin, meron tayong receiving area. So, hindi agad living area. Not the usual type na pagpasok mo, living area agad. So, pwede kang maglagay ng couch dito on this side. O, diba? And then, pwedeng kung ano man yung naiisip nyo dito. So, this is just a receiving area for your guest. Ngayon, pag yung guest nyo, medyo, alam mo yun, naging friend na o naging friends nyo na, nandito na tayo sa living area. Parang nag-upgrade. Pag guest lang doon, kapag friends and family, pwede sa living area. Pero kidding aside, ang laki po ng ating living areas. This one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 6. Oh, almost 6 by 6 po yan. 24 square meters na po ang ating living area. So, kasama na rin po ang ating mga curtains. Yan. Buksan lang natin para medyo makita nyo. Ito, meron na siyang glass wall. So, ang ganda rin kasi nga po, as I've said, pag maraming glass sa bahay, mas maliwanag, mas maaliwalas, mas nagmumukha pong maluwag ang bahay. And then this side, diba? Ganda na itong bahay na to talaga. You can put your massive TV here. Siguro yung TV nyo, mga 75 inches, kayang-kaya dito. And then, yung mga iba pang gamit nyo, pwedeng-pwede. Aside from that, you can put a surround sound system on your TV dito, di ba? Kasi kung ito yung magiging family area natin, living area, napakaganda. Coming from our living area, meron tayong portal. Papasok na. So, kung mapapansin nyo guys, medyo old school pa ang ating design. Dahil itong bahay na to, this was totally renovated. Siguro mga 90% talagang inayos. Pero, ang kagandahan sa kanya, na-retain pa rin yung parang floor plan niya. Pero the rest, lahat yan reinforced. Sinek din ng engineers at ng architects ng seller natin yan. So, huwag kayong mag-alala. This is a very nice and safe, secure house. So, we're here on the first bedroom on the ground floor. This can be your guest room or your senior room. So, the size more or less is about mga 3x4 siguro to guys. Mga 10 to 12 square meters. And then, may sarili rin siyang toilet and bath. Although, medyo maliit yung toilet and bath niya. Pero kung guest room lang naman to, this can be a really good guest room for you and your family. From the receiving area, guys, kanina nagpunta tayo sa living room. Ngayon, on the other side, ito ang ating dining room. Uy, hindi nabubuksan. Anyway, nabubuksan po pareho yan doors na yan. Nakalock lang for now. So, this is our massive dining area na may bike. Tsaka merong although tatanggalin po natin lahat yan. So, napakalaki po nito. So, more or less 7 by 6 meters to. Ang laki-laki-laki na ito. So, this can be a big party area, a big dining area, pero pwede ring mix. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng TV dito. Alam mo yun, parang semi-family area na meron dining area, di ba? Para at least, kahit meron kayong guest, pwedeng nakahiwalay yung mga anak nyo dito. Kasi meron tayong malaking doors na nagsiseparate. Napakaganda kasi, kumbaga, kahit maraming pinto, nagkakaroon ng kumbaga, separation yung mga living area natin and then this big dining area na pwedeng hybrid. And then this part, meron din tayong toilet and bath. Yan. Oh, this one is a full-size toilet and bath. Yung kanina, di pa pala tayo nagpunta doon. Yan, so maluwag din. Decent size. Meron na rin tayong provision for water heater. And then you have the rain shower. Of course, the water closet and your bidet. Ang paborito natin bidet. Saka ang ating sink area. So, yun. Coming from our dining area, nandito tayo sa parang prep area natin. Tapos katabi ang ating maid's room. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Maluwag ang ating staff room, guys. So, kahit dalawang single bed yata kasya dito. Medyo alanganin. Double deck na lang para sure. Double deck and then you have the closet. Ang luwag na staff room nito. And then, meron tayong prep area, yun nga, yung kanina, pagpasok natin. And tsaka, ito ang ating main kitchen. For our main kitchen, napakaluwag din niya. So, kung makikita nyo, na-maintain niya yung classic vibe ng ating bahay. So, consistent po. Napakalaki na very classic yung vibe ng ating house. And then, this is where the ref is. Actually, pwede pa kayo dito. Mag-center island. O kaya kahit dito sa area na to. You can put a certain big center island dito. Diba? Kasi ito naman talaga prep area. Pwede siyang dining, kaya lang it's too small for a dining area kung ganito kalaki yung bahay niyo. Tapos, meron pa rin tayong kagandahan, meron tayong parang walk-in na pantry, kumbaga storage. Yung under the staircase, ginawa nilang pantry storage. Yan. So, napakaluwag. If you want a smaller dining area, pwede rin naman dito. Choice nyo na po yun. Pero ang kagandahan dyan, aside from having that kitchen, meron pa tayong napakalaking service kitchen. O, diba? Ito ang service kitchen na umaatikabo. Ang laki. Diba? Ang laki na ito. The laundry area or the washer and dryer can be here. Ayan, meron tayong sink for the laundry. And then dito yung washer dryer nyo. And then this is your dirty kitchen with a lot of cabinetries here. Ayan. O, diba? Ang dami nito. Kahit siguro 3 yung helper nyo o 4 yung helper nyo, kasyang-kasya. Kasi hindi sila magsisiksikan eh, kanya-kanya sila ng trabaho. And then, meron pa tayong, parang this is the area, foyer to, papunta dun sa ating 2-car garage sa gilid. Yan. Pero napakaluwag pa nito. If you need storage area, ito yun. And then, meron din sariling toilet and bath ang ating staff. Yan. Yan. Medyo maliit, pero more or less to 1.5 by 1.5. So, gets the job done. Coming from the first bedroom, meron ulit tayong, actually this is a side door. So, ito yung connected naman dun sa 2 side car garage natin. And then, ito ang ating maintained but carefully refurbished na original staircase. Yan. So, yung may hilig sa mga classic dyan, amazing classic house po ito. So, welcome to our second floor. Dito sa ating second floor, we have 4 bedrooms. Pero nandito tayo sa living area, ay family area pala, sorry. Meron tayong family area dito sa second floor na meron din siyang balcony. Oh, di ba? Ang luwag pa rin ng balcony natin. Oh. You need fresh air or afternoon sun nga lang to. I think more or less. Yan. So, napakaluwag po ng ating family area, second floor, tapos ang ating balcony. Coming from our family area, ito ang ating first bedroom dito sa second floor. O, diba? Size is more or less 3.5, 4 by 4. Siguro mga 12 to 15 square meters. Tapos, meron na rin tayong built-in closet. Yan, medyo classic din yung style natin. Pero these are new ones. Bago na to. O, ito naman, hindi na mabuksan. Sobrang bago. Hindi, ayan. Maayos yan. Pero ang kagandahan kasi sa kanya, it's super consistent for the rest of the house. Yung, kumbaga, na-maintain niya yung classic look and feel ng ating bahay. So, this is our common toilet and bath dito sa ating second floor. It's very consistent naman dun sa unang toilet and bath na nakita natin. Same finishes din. Yung rain shower lang, ang ginamit is matte black. And then, same din ang ginamit natin na sink and faucet. And then, ito yung ating water closet. Or yung pinaka-toilet natin dito. So, meron na rin siyang provision for water heater. Ang kulang na lang, glass enclosure, guys. Yan. Tsaka yun, water heater. Sorry. Welcome to our third bedroom. Yan. Oh, mas marami yung closet nito. The size is more or less medyo kapareho nung ating second bedroom. Pero yung closet space niya, mas madami. Tapos meron pa tayong parang dito. Part na ng closet yung ating mirror. Yan. So, pwede rin to for a big family kasi biruin mo, 5 yung bedrooms niya. Tapos ito, sobrang dami ng closet mo. Yan. So, this is our third bedroom. So, welcome to our fourth bedroom. Buksan tayo ilaw. Yan. Pasok po tayo. Yan. Oh, this one's bigger. Mas malaki po ito. Mas maluwag. Buksan lang natin ng konti para may hangin tayo. Napakainit po. Ayan. Ito yung yung salamin on top of the main door. Kung kanina nabanggit namin. Ayan. Kaya ang dami ng natural lighting natin inside the property. And then you have also this sliding glass windows pa on this side. And then of course your closet pa rin. You have your closet pa rin. So the size is more or less 4 by 6. Mas malaki to. Mga 20 square meters siguro to, guys. Welcome to our master bedroom. Yan. So ito yung pinakamalaking bedroom, of course. Aside from that, ni-retain tsaka ni-rejuvenate po ang ating Nara wooden parquet floors. So napakaganda. It's very special yung flooring natin. Isa to sa mga naging challenges ng builder nung una kasi ang hirap na makahanap ng maayos na wooden parquet. Ang hirap, no? Hirap din spelling nun, kaya huwag nyo nang tanongin sa akin. So, this is where our headboard is. Kasya po dito kahit yung mga California king size bed. Ayan. And then, mamaya na tayo sa ating toilet and bath. We'll just check. Ito rin ang ating, kumbaga, TV. Pwede dun nga, no? Although pwede rin dun. Kasi nandito yung TV, Anyway, it's your call kung saan po yung ating bed. Pero meron na rin tayong, kumbaga, specific para sa wall-mounted TV natin. And then, some of the, kumbaga, things that you have, eto na. Yan. For the master bedroom, ang kagandahan, meron tayong wrap-around balcony. Woo! Napakalamig! Yan, ang luwag po nito. O, di ba? Pag nandito yung araw, o dito tayo sa hindi maaraw. O, di ba? Mamayang hapon or in the afternoon, eto naman yung medyo mainit. So, doon naman tayo sa kabilang side. Pero napaka-luwag pa rin ang ating balcony. So, pwedeng dito kayo magkakape sa umaga. Alam mo yun, spend time with your partner in life, your wife, your husband. So, this is our master's toilet and bath. Yan. Actually, malaki yung countertop dito. So, pwede siyang his and hers. Kaya lang ngayon, isa lang nilagay. Pwede naman din i-retain to. Pero, ito yung pwede natin lagyan ng mirror. Kaya meron ding electricity supply dyan. And then, this is our shower area. Diba? Maluwag siya. Need some improvement, of course. Kasi personal preference na yun, guys. Kung ano yung gusto nyo. Gusto nyo may his and hers. Gusto nyo ng malaking-malaking mirror on this side. Kasi pag nilagyan nyo to ng full size na wall mirror, napakaluwag niyan. Biglang lalaki yung inyong toilet and bath. So that's one tip na you can maximize when fitting out your house or building your own house. So quick recap lang tayo, guys, for this house tour. We are inside Brookside Hills Subdivision along Ortigas Avenue Extension in Cainta, Rizal. So never pong binahatong bahay na to. I can personally guarantee. There's no word as di po ako naniniwala sa garantiya, pero sa 35 years ko po nakatira dito, never pong binahato. So this house stands on a 489 square meter lot area with a floor area of around 650 more or less kasi ang laki po niya. So it can fit 4 to 8 cars. So meron po tayo napakaraming car garage. We have a lot of gardens. And then it has 5 bedrooms, 4 toilet and bath, a massive living area, and an even bigger dining area. We also have a maid's room with its own toilet and bath and a lot of really amazing open spaces. The asking price for this property is 26 million pesos. Negotiable pa po yan. If you have further questions, you can reach us on the number below. You can also follow us on our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Malapit na po tayo mag 7,000 subscribers. So marami pong salamat, God bless, and see you on the next one. Peace.